Hello everyone, it's Elta. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this one I'm going to show you how to make the highly anticipated snake Miraculous. I tried to make this easy so that everyone can do it. So the products that I used were some hot glue, which is not pictured, and some Fimo clay in soft, and some polycolor in yellow. The colors that I used are particularly the peppermint. It looks blue on camera, but I swear it's peppermint color. It's greenish, bluish, number 39 for Fimo. But in camera it shows blue, I don't know why. And I used the Polycolor 100 in the color lemon yellow. That's just a very bright yellow for the eyes and the scales of the snake. For this video I tried for the first time a Fimo clay machine, and it was working, but I wouldn't recommend using it. Like, you don't have to buy that. They got it for me for Christmas and I just decided to use it. So the first thing I do was roll a thick layer of the clay. I used half the clay. I didn't need all of it because we would need to save some up for the, for the snake head. So I just rolled it up and made it into a bracelet that fits my arm, my hand, not my arm. Come on, again with those things. Just make sure you can wear this, that it fits around your fist, not your wrist only. It needs to be big enough to fit around your fist so that you can wear it. After that, I just shaped a little snake and gave it a little pinch on the front so you can have like dents for the eyes. And after I did that, and I took my craft knife, be very careful with that, not for kids, and I just shaved off the bottom so it was smooth on the bottom and just rounded on the top. You need to do this because, as you can see, I'm bending it right now to fit perfectly around the little bangle that we have made. If it's not fit on there, it's not going to be able to fit later. So just make sure you wear them while they're still, not baked. And make sure they fit very well. Here's me just testing it. I tested it a lot of times. And this is them after being baked. I mean, they look the same. And I know it looks blue, but I swear it's not blue. It looks so much different in person, but I don't know why the camera showed it blue. Then I took a pen that did not work anymore, and I just dipped it in yellow paint and started drawing the eyes of the snake. Now this is a really good painting technique. After that, I just took some hot glue and glued it onto the bangle, just like that. You just took one strip of glue and you're done. You can use super glue if you want to. And then I just took the same pen and started drawing these designs of the tongue onto the bangle right underneath the snake, and we're done. You can seal it with Mod Podge if you want to, or you can just leave it like that. I didn't seal it in these pictures, but I will probably will in the future. I'm trying to make it simple and easy so that everyone can make it. The pen technique, I think, is gonna work for every single design. Deep destroyed pen, a pen with no ink in paint, and just draw with it. You can use a small brush, but this works best for me. I can use for most of my videos. If you have seen, you can use a toothpick as well. This is how I paint, with toothpicks and paints with no ink. Oh, I'm just rambling again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me in the comments whatever miraculous thing you want me to make, and I will try to make it happen. See you on the next one. Love you and bye!